Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, daytime running lamps, dual rear wheels, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Come take a test drive today.